How to share your profile and IMO. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So now, we're in the settings interface. Here, you can find different options and can even customize it. Here on the right top, there's a QR icon. Simply tap on it. So basically this is your profile QR. Here other people who scan it will be able to view your profile. Now you can easily share it among your friends and families. Here on the bottom there are different options through which you can share it. So you can directly copy the link and share it through other social media platforms also. Later they can easily add you in your IMO account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.